In this tutorial, we'll show you how to display temperature and other simulation results of inner parts of a 3D model. By default, Mold Simulator displays only surface temperature and heat flow. You can get an idea of inner heat flow by displaying the heat flow direction. We get much more control over what is displayed through the 3D outliner in the Areas tab. For example, we can display in wireframe everything except the inner volume. Note that this method works only with imported 3D geometry. As you can see, these settings also affect how simulation results are displayed. We can also hide everything except the inner volume using the 3D outliner. Another way to show inner results is to use sampling analysis. Add a section element on the inner volume's surface. Just double-click the surface to create it and activate temperature sampling. Now we need to expand it to cover the whole object. Now, Mold Simulator will perform sampling analysis. Making temperature transparent gives clearer results. We can combine sampling analysis with the previous technique. Let's make everything except the inner volume wireframe again. Sampling analysis is performed also on wireframe or hidden volumes. If you double-click on the section element's name, you can modify this behavior.